Now, we achieve market equilibrium when we put the demand curve and supply curve together, literally representing an X. And the intersection point of this demand and supply curve will be where we get our market equilibrium. And market equilibrium refers to actually just two things. What is the equilibrium price and what is the equilibrium output, which we can get when we get the intersection point of the demand and supply curve. Now, what is more interesting is what happens if you have simultaneous shift of demand and supply happening at the same time. Now, let's run through this by using one specific example. What happens if you have both an increase in demand and increase in supply? If you had an increase in demand, you will expect price to go up and output to also increase. As for an increase in supply, you expect price to go down while output will increase. What happens here is that for both demand and supply increase, you will see that you have an agreement for output. Output will for sure increase. But when you have an increase in demand, your price goes up. You have an increase in supply, your price goes down. Now this contradicts each other, which means to say that we say price is actually indeterminate in this case. And it will remain indeterminate unless we can make a decision on what shifted more. Did demand shift more or did supply shift more? Once we are able to make a determination or justify which one shifted more, then we can decide what happened to price. If the increase in demand was greater than the increase in supply, we expect price to go up. If the increase in supply was greater than the increase in demand, then we expect the price to go down.